Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make YouTube channel banner with Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna want to create a new design with any format that you like. For example, as you can see, the format that I am using here on this design is the presentation. After you've created a new design, you're gonna want to create a new tab and you're gonna search up YouTube banner template. Head over to images, click on the first one right here. Now right click on it and save it. Alright, now go back to Canva. From here, you're gonna head over to uploads. Then you're gonna click on upload files and you're gonna upload the banner template that you just downloaded. Now click on it. Now resize it to fit the whole page. Now you want to crop it from the top and bottom. Make sure it looks something like this. So this is basically gonna be our reference. If you look at the middle section here, this is pretty much what's gonna be visible on mobile. So anything beyond this part here will not be visible on mobile. With that being said, you want to make sure you put your design within this space right here, so it will be visible on all types of devices. Mobile, tablet, PC, you get the point. Anyway, let's go ahead and lock this for now, and let's get started with our design. You're gonna want to head over to elements. Then you're gonna click on this square right here, and you're just gonna bring it over here and then resize it to make sure it's the same size as the template. So once you've done that, you're gonna send this backward. Once you've done that, you're gonna click on the template, you're gonna unlock it, and then you're simply gonna delete it. So now we can go ahead and change the color of our banner. Of course, you can change it to any color that you like. For example, this aqua blue color right here. Then after that, head over to elements again, click on frame, then select this circular frame right here. Now adjust the size of it, make it smaller, and place it in the middle of your banner, just like so. This is basically where we're gonna put our profile picture. So after that, we can head over to uploads, and we can upload our profile picture. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna be using my actual face. If you look here, this is just an example profile picture. Now let's add it onto the page, and then you can just drag it onto the frame like so. Simple as that. Now we can start adding the text. Head over to text. Then click on add a subheading. Now type in your first name. Of course, I'm not going to be using my actual name. This is just going to be an example. Then you're going to move it up here to the left side. Then you can go ahead and resize it. After that, we can change the font. You can use any font that you like. After that, we can change the color of our text. Again, you can use any color that you like or that matches your banner. I'm going to be using white as an example. Now that we're done with our first name, we can move on to our last name. You're just going to do the same thing you did for your first name. After that, we can go ahead and copy the design of our first name to our last name. Now we're going to add another text box for our channel name. I'm just going to put Joe Talks here as an example. Then we're going to put this one below our first name, and we're going to make it smaller. Then we're going to use a different font for this one. Change the color to white. Now that we're done with that, we can move on to the right side over here, and we can start adding in our other social media platforms. For example, Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, I am putting the Facebook and Instagram logo. And for this, you can just go to Google and search up Instagram logo or Facebook logo or any type of logo for your social media platform. Then we're going to add another text box for our social media. Then we can go ahead and duplicate this for our other social media. Now for the last step, we're going to head over to uploads again, and then we're going to put this template on our page again, resize it, then you're going to bring it to the front. Now you're just going to change the transparency, just lower it down. Now you're just going to make sure that your design is within the space I mentioned earlier. As you can see right here, mine is within that space, so it's all good. All we have to do now is remove this. Now you can go ahead and download it. Make sure the file type is set to PNG. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.